Ever dreamed of AI art where your characters look like they stepped out of the same universe every single time? Today, we're unlocking the magic of character references in Leonardo AI. Your key to unlocking consistent character design across all your AI-generated artwork. The secret sauce? Providing Leonardo AI with a clear visual blueprint of your character. This starts with uploading your reference image. Navigate to the character reference section. You'll usually find it prominently displayed in your generation settings. Click on the Upload button and select the image that best captures your character's essence. This could be a drawing, a previous AI generation, or even a photo. The clearer and more detailed your reference, the better Leonardo AI can understand it. Once your image is uploaded, it's time to tell the AI exactly what you want to preserve in your positive prompt. Be highly descriptive. Think about specific features: hair color and style, eye shape and color, defining facial features like a prominent nose or scar, and even overall build. Conversely, use your negative prompt to tell the AI what to avoid. This is crucial for preventing unwanted variations. For example, if your character has short hair, you might negatively prompt for long hair or bald. Now, iterate. Generate your images and observe how well the AI adheres to your reference. If details are still a bit off, don't worry, you can refine your prompts. Try being even more specific with descriptive adjectives, or adjust your negative prompts to further guide the AI. Many AI platforms, including Leonardo AI, offer a character reference strength or image influence slider. Experiment with this. Increasing this value tells the AI to pay closer attention to your reference image, often resulting in more accurate consistency. Mastering character references in Leonardo AI is a game-changer for creating cohesive narratives and unified artwork. So go forth, experiment with your designs, and build worlds with characters you can always count on seeing.